Welcome back everybody to another video of Bite-Sized Science. Today we're doing something a little bit differently. I'm going to be teaching you how to make a homemade disinfectant solution. I know that a lot of the stores out there have been sold out, so hopefully this could be a good alternative if you can't find any on the shelves. All you're going to need for this recipe is some bleach. I'm using Clorox today, but any bleach will work, and some cold water. The CDC recommends using a 2% bleach solution to disinfect surfaces and protect yourself from the novel coronavirus. That means that for every cup of disinfectant solution you want to make, you're going to need 1 cup of cold water and 1 teaspoon of bleach. So let's make it. Measure out 1 teaspoon or 5 milliliters of bleach and pour it into your cup of water. And make sure to stir it so that the bleach gets incorporated into the water. And there you have it. That's your bleach disinfectant solution. Now let's make the disinfectant wipes. All you're going to need is your disinfectant solution, some paper towels, and a container to soak it in. Now, a lot of people on the internet have been using the entire roll of paper towels to make these wipes, but I'm going to recommend against that because once the bleach comes in contact with water, it begins to break down. So you're going to have to remake the solution every 24 hours, and if you use the entire roll of paper towels, there's a lot of waste. Instead, what I recommend you do is take your paper towel and break off as much as you want or need for the day, fold it up and put it in the container, and then just soak those sheets, and there you go. Let it sit in the water for a little bit, and there you have it. The other thing I recommend is to turn this into a disinfectant spray. And for that, all you need is your disinfectant solution, and then any old spray bottle that you have lying around the house. Just make sure that you've emptied these spray bottles and cleaned them out thoroughly because the bleach could have an interaction with whatever solution was in them first. I have here a few different sizes. The big one I use to clean surfaces in my house, such as tables and countertops, and the small ones are great whenever I go out of my house. They'll fit in my pocket or in my backpack, and I could use them to clean door handles or elevator buttons and that kind of stuff. And finally, I've heard that some people have been recommending injecting yourself with disinfectant solution to kill the coronavirus. I'm going to say that's not going to work. Anyway, thank you so much for watching today's video. If you have any questions, post them in the comment section below, and I'll also be posting all the instructions in the description to this video, so don't hesitate to check that out. And as always, stay healthy, stay positive, and have a great day.